Hey guys, welcome to Tony's How To's. In this video, I'll show you how to fix black and white screen on Android phone. So you might be worried why your phone actually suddenly became black and white on your screen. So no worries, we could actually fix this on a setting that we have on an Android device here. So first thing is we want to go to settings. So just look for your settings here and just click on settings. Now in settings, we want to look for the setting that says digital well-being and parental controls. So go ahead and open that up. And from here, you want to scroll down a bit until you see the bedtime mode option there. So the gray, black and white or the grayscale look on your phone is actually being caused by the bedtime mode option there. So let's just open this up and we'll be able to actually see the bedtime customizations here. So open up the customizations here and just click on the grayscale option there. So when you click on grayscale, it's going to automatically add the colors back into our screen here. But if you want to generally turn off the bedtime mode option here, just click on the offset setting here. And it's also going to remove that grayscale look on your phone. And yeah, that's basically it. It's really easy to do. You just need to turn off the bedtime mode or remove the grayscale option that you see on the bedtime mode here. And yeah, so that's basically it. So thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, you could use the link in the description to subscribe. See you in the next video.